Helo, heddi dwi'n y Gelli yn y Marchnad enwog yma sydd bron 700 mlwydd oed. Mae yna llawer o cynnyrchwyr amrywiol yma a dwi'n cyffroes jyst i cael sgwrs efo nhw a ffeindio mas mwy amdano y cynnyrch Cymraeg sydd ar gael yma. Ffermwyr farm is only 5 miles away from here, you say?
It is 5 miles from here, yeah, west towards Brecon. And yeah, the focus obviously is to, as much as growing the food in a, not just a sustainably way, but in a kind of regenerative way as well. An important factor of that is making sure that you're reducing your food miles as well. So supplying to a local area without sort of increasing the unnecessary footprint on the food is actually really important, you know.
Furniture-wise, I make all this. This is made from local products, timber, all the fixings, anything I can get as close to home, which I live about 30 minutes from here in mid Wales.
What is it you like about the kind of market stalls that?
I just like the people that you meet. I really like not being tied to a premises. I bake from home, which is absolutely lovely, and then I get to come out and meet people, and people that you work with are usually great fun. Yeah, I just absolutely love it.
What is it about the farmers markets that you kind of really enjoy?
It's just the community spirit, I think, because all the traders sort of look out for each other. You know, we cover each other's stalls, and it's just like a bit of a family, really.
Dwi wedi cael profiad gwych yma yn y Gelli. It's a market for everyone, from the little kids shouting Welsh cake, to the old people that are just here for a chat. Mae yna really teimlad cymunedol dros y lle, and it's nice to hear that people find comfort in knowing that this is here every Thursday. A mae yna cynnyrch gwych yma. Everyone's been so welcoming, so I'm definitely going to be back on another Thursday.